Hi guys, this is Hunter at Vapor Holding Technologies, and today we'll be talking about vapor blasting techniques. There are many techniques companies can use to clean surfaces. Both the effectiveness of cleaning solutions and techniques are crucial factors when the accurate mixture of media and water are used. Vapor blasting can remove dirt, deburr machine parts, and prep for coatings. The machines can damage parts if the inaccurate technique is used. Materials that can be damaged are cement, brick, and vinyl siding. This makes it imperative to get your vapor blasting done by professionals with the best and most effective techniques. It is most likely cheaper for businesses to buy a machine and provide someone to maintain and operate the machine without outsourcing. Here's some examples of different types of blasting. Water vapor blasting is best for removing grime and dirt from surfaces without chemicals. This can be used commercially, domestically. It can also be used on bigger parts and smaller parts as well. Vapor blasting can be used on various surfaces such as plastic, rubber, and metal surfaces. This includes more material than both parts washers and sandblasters. Parts washers can be used, but vapor blasting can speed up the process tremendously. Sodium bicarbonate blasting can be used to remove paint, rust, grime, or any oily substance from a surface. When you use sodium bicarbonate blasting, it will not ruin the substrate that you are blasting. This process is used when dust control is needed or reuse is needed as well. Sodium bicarbonate can remove dirt easier than anything on the market today. It is used mostly in the automobile industry to get through textured surfaces and remove greasy areas from parts. For more information, please follow us on our Instagram and Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can call the sales team at 828-202-5563, extension 102.